Hey guys, welcome to the much anticipated launch day unboxing and overview of the one and only the Google Pixel 4a with Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. And in the box I have received a special launch menu and some special treats and snacks to celebrate the launch of the Google Pixel 4a. I'll be sharing more on this on my Insta stories. I have also received here a cardboard stand and the Google Pixel 4a smartphone. Guys, although I've been playing with it for around a week now, I did record this unboxing when I received the phone around a week ago. One thing I can tell you, guys, it's a beauty inside out for a beautiful budget price. It definitely lives up to my expectations and its competitors, you know who, better embrace for some pixel magic. I do have a special Google giveaway which will be announced in my next Pixel 4a video in the coming days. So today I'll be sharing a quick unboxing, specs and features, a couple of pictures and videos and a general overview of the Pixel 4a, and I will be sharing a bunch of other videos on it on the channel in the coming days. So be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon above and follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram if you want to be the first to be notified of these and more videos on the channel. So guys, here we have the latest brand new Google Pixel 4a smartphone. This is Google's mid-range smartphone with some flagship specs and features, and all for a budget price. So let me get it out the box while you guys check out the specs on the screen in front of you. Guys, as far as I know, unlike the Pixel 3a XL, unfortunately Google will not be launching an XL version of the Pixel 4a, although I personally would have liked it as my hands seem to be getting used to larger phones. So coming back to this one, and in the box we have an 18 watts USB-C power adapter, one USB-C to USB-C cable, a quick startup guide, a quick switch adapter and a SIM tool ejector, and the Google Pixel 4a smartphone. And wow, it's beautiful. Very different to how I imagined it, especially in comparison with the Google Pixel 3a and the 3a XL. And guys, it comes in only black with a nice matte finish and no other colours. We have a plastic body with a smooth matte black finish, and guys, I love how it feels in the hands, not cheap, and it almost feels like a rubberized texture, and this also means it's not a fingerprint magnet, so the phone will hopefully always look clean. And guys, it's light in weight, weighing only 143 grams and feels very durable. We have a fingerprint sensor nicely located here on the rear and a G Google logo here at the bottom. We have a 12.2 megapixel dual pixel camera here on the rear with a f1.7 aperture. This camera includes autofocus with dual pixel phase detection. It also features optical and electronic image stabilization and 1.7 aperture 77-degree field of view. As for video guys, we have between 1080p at 30, 60 and 120 frames per second, and it also records in 4K at 30 frames per second. And although I have not been able to verify, it seems almost identical to the one on the Pixel 4, which had a Sony IMX363 sensor. Once again, Google brings us an exceptional top-of-the-range camera sensor only found on some flagship smartphones. And here we have the volume rocker and a power button which is in this tasty mint green colour. Here we have the SIM card slot, a Type-C charging port, and we have stereo speakers, a single down-firing speaker here at the bottom and one front-firing speaker here at the top. We also have a 3.5mm audio jack here at the top. We have a beautiful 5.81 inches Full HD 1080 by 2340 OLED at 443 ppi display and an 8-megapixel hole punch selfie camera here on the top left. This single 8-megapixel camera has a 1.12 pixel size, f2.0 aperture, fixed focus and 84-degree field of view. The video in the front camera records in 1080p at 30 frames per second. The Pixel 4a is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730, has a 6GB LPDDR RAM and 128GB storage. It features 2.2 GHz and 1.8 GHz 64-bit octa-core Adreno 618. We have a 3130 mAh adaptive battery. And guys, do bear in mind, we do have a full HD display and not a quad, therefore the battery is expected to last much longer. And above all, we have the world's best OS. It comes with stock Android. Guys, this always gives me a great sense of security and peace of mind, and especially with the Pixel phones. So here it is guys, the Pixel 4a smartphone, another incredible Google smartphone which looks beautiful, features some premium flagship specs and features, and priced at an affordable £349. That's £60 less than the iPhone SE and £30 less than the OnePlus Nord. It will be available for pre-order from the 10th of September and on sale from the 1st of October onwards from the Google Store. And once again, it will come in one colour, just black, and once available I will link all of this in the description box below for you guys to check out in more details. I personally feel the price alone is tempting enough. The camera once again is one of the best on any smartphone. There are so many incredible features packed into this Pixel 4a, some new and exclusive to Google Pixel only. I will be revealing lots more on this on the channel in the coming days, so stick around. If you have any burning questions, be sure to pop them and your thoughts so far in the comment box below. Meanwhile, I will be dropping more detailed test and review videos on the Pixel 4a very shortly, so do stick around for these. And that's me done for now. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon above and follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my upcoming Google Pixel 4a videos, giveaway and lots more. Thank you so much for watching guys, and till the next one, stay safe, take care, bye.